Hi students, welcome to maths class. Our first chapter is summation of series. In this section, I am going to teach you about the partial sum of a series. Okay. Let us suppose that the sum Sn equal to u1 plus u2 plus etc. plus un. That is Sn equal to u1 plus u2 plus etc. plus un. That is the sum of the first n terms of the series. Remember that the sum of the first n terms of the series is called the nth partial sum of the series. Okay. What is the nth partial sum of the series? Remember that the sum of first n terms of the series is called the nth partial sum of the series, and it can be written as expressed as sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un. Okay, this is the notation. This notation is called the sigma notation. Okay, and another important thing is if Sn is the nth partial sum of the series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un, then the sequence S1, S2, etc. Sn is called the sequence of partial sums of the series. Okay, remember that S1, S2, etc. Sn is called the sequence of partial sum of the series. Okay, now we can do some problems. Find first, second, third and nth. Find first, second, third and nth partial sums. Of the series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un, where un equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, our question is find the first, second, third and nth partial sum of the series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un, where un equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. This is our question. How to do it? Listen. Here un equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. Then sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un is equal to first u1. What is u1? N is replaced by 1. N is replaced by 1. Then 1 by 2 raised to 1 minus 1. That is 1 by 2 raised to 0. That is 2 raised to 0 is 1. Therefore first term is 1. Plus second term. Second term will be obtained by replacing n by 2. Then 1 by 2 raised to 2 minus 1. That is 2 raised to 1. Okay. And the third term is 1 by 2 square. And next 1 by 2 raised to 3 plus etc. plus the nth term is 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1 plus etc. Okay. This is sigma un. Remember that first n is replaced by 1, then we will get 1. Second, n is replaced by Second is n is replaced by 2, then we will get 1 by 2 raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus etc. 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1 plus etc. Okay. Remember that what is S1? S1 means U1. What is our U1? U1 is 1. Okay. Then what is S2? S2 means U1 plus U2. Okay. Remember that. Here is S1 is U1, that is 1. S2 is U1 plus U2, which is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. S1 is U1, S2 is U1 plus U2, and what is S3? S3 is equal to, S3 is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square, that is 4. 3 terms are here, that is S3, which is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 7 by 4. Okay. First term is 1, second partial sum is 3 by 2, and the third partial sum is 7 by 4. Okay, what the idea? Now we want to find out nth partial sum of this series. We want to find out the nth partial sum. Listen, how to find out the nth partial sum. Listen. And is Sn equal to U1 plus U2 plus etc. plus Un. Nth partial sum, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus okay, 1 plus 1 by 2. What is this? This is a geometric progression with the first term 1 and common ratio 1 by 2. Okay, remember that this is a geometric progression with the first term 1 and common ratio is 1 by 2. Then how to find out the sum of n terms of a geometric progression? Very simple. The equation is a into 1 minus I will write the equation. The equation is Sn equal to a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. This is the equation for the sum of first n terms of a geometric progression, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. Here what is a? Here a equal to 1 and r common ratio is 1 by 2, because 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 square, etc. Therefore, we are applying to this equation, then a 1 into 1 minus r is 1 by 2 the whole raised to n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 2 can be, that is equal to 2 into this one, 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to n. Okay, that can be written as 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, that is our final answer. Remember that our final answer is 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. This is our final answer. Okay, that is the nth partial sum of the given series. Okay, final answer is 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, please write down on your notebook. This equation is very important. Okay, now we can do our second question. Second question is find the nth partial sum of the series. Find the nth partial sum of the series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un where un equal to minus 1 raised to n. Okay, find the nth partial sum of the series sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un where un equal to minus 1 raised to n. Then what is sigma n equal to 1 to infinity un, which is equal to, when n equal to 1 we will get u1. What is u1? Minus 1 raised to 1, that is minus 1, plus when n equal to 2 it will become minus 1. When n equal to 2 minus 1 raised to 2, that is plus 1. Again n equal to 3 it is minus 1. Again n equal to 4 it is plus 1. Okay, it will continue like this. Okay, and we will get the nth term is minus 1 raised to n plus etc. Okay, that is the nth term. Then the partial sum Sn can be written as, remember that Sn has two values. First one is minus 1 if n is odd. If n equal to n is an odd number, then the partial sum Sn is equal to minus 1, and 0 if n is even. If n is an even number, then the partial sum is 0. Okay, got the idea? Therefore two conditions are here. The first one is if n is equal to odd, then Sn equal to minus 1. If n is even, then Sn equal to 0. Okay, got the idea? Please write down on your notebook. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel.